Most people see a $27 product and think, that's not much money. But that's only part of the story. Someone comes in through the front end offer, and if they like what they see, there are additional upgrades available behind it. That means one customer can be worth a lot more than the initial sale. On top of that, it's not some niche product for a tiny audience. It speaks to beginners, side hustlers, affiliate marketers, and people looking for a simpler way to get started with CPA marketing. So instead of chasing high ticket offers that are hard to convert, some affiliates are looking at this because it's a lower priced offer that can be easier for people to say yes to. That's why this launch is getting so much attention right now. Watch this demo real quick. If you've ever tried CPA marketing, you know the hardest part isn't finding an offer, it's figuring out what to do next. Build a page, create content, get traffic, track results. Most people get stuck before they ever launch. This demo shows how CommissionOS puts everything into one simple workflow, so you're not bouncing between a bunch of different tools and tutorials. Nothing flashy, just a step-by-step system that helps you go from idea to campaign faster. Take a look. You might be surprised how simple it actually is. So who's behind CommissionOS? It's created by Deepapa, a Warrior Plus marketer who's been active since 2014. Over the years, he's generated more than $1.6 million in sales, sold 35,000 plus products, built an audience of 8,000 plus followers, and maintained a strong reputation on the platform. The reason that matters? You're learning from someone who's actually been in the trenches for over a decade, not a random creator who showed up yesterday. Survey. Before you buy CommissionOS, here's what you're actually getting. The main product costs just $27 and gives you the complete system. It helps you find CPA offers, build landing pages, create promotional content, and follow a step-by-step plan instead of guessing what to do next. Now here's where it gets interesting. The first upgrade lets you build complete funnels, not just a single page. That means lead capture pages, thank you pages, bonus pages, and more, all connected together. The second upgrade gives you 50 ready-made campaign templates. So instead of starting from scratch, you can model campaigns that are already planned out for you. The third upgrade is for people who want to use paid ads. It shows how to advertise on platforms like TikTok, Facebook, Bing, and Google without trying to figure everything out on your own. The fourth upgrade focuses on getting value from every visitor. Even if someone doesn't take the main offer, there are extra ways to monetize that traffic. And the final upgrade is probably the biggest one. It gives you commercial rights, meaning you can use what you build and offer services to clients, potentially turning this into a small business opportunity. So what does CommissionOS actually do? Think of it as a CPA marketing toolbox that helps you go from finding an offer to launching a campaign. You can analyze offers, build landing pages, generate content, discover CPA offers, and follow a step-by-step action plan all in one place. And if you want more, the upgrades let you build full funnels, access ready-made campaigns, learn paid traffic, monetize more of your visitors, and even get commercial rights to offer services to clients. What makes it useful is that it doesn't just teach theory. It gives you tools and resources you can actually use to get campaigns up and running faster. If you've ever felt overwhelmed by CPA marketing, this is designed to make the process a lot more organized and easier to follow.
Here's my suggestion. Don't focus on the software for a minute. Ask yourself this. What's been stopping you from launching a CPA campaign? Is it finding offers, building pages, creating content, figuring out traffic?
If you've been stuck bouncing between tutorials and never actually putting a campaign live, that's where a system like this can help. So click the link below and watch the demo with one goal in mind. Can this help me get from idea to action faster? If the answer is yes, you'll know exactly what to do next. If the answer is no, at least you'll walk away with a clearer understanding of what's missing in your current process. Either way, you're making progress instead of staying stuck. Check out the demo below and see if CommissionOS is the missing piece you've been looking for.